Class 5 students, today in this class we will learn about the rules of multiplication and division. So let's start the class. So first I will start with multiplication. The rules of multiplication I will start. So let's begin. So first, suppose we take a number 312 into 5. If we multiply both these numbers, we are going to get 1560 as the result. Now, we will learn what are the name of these terms. That means, when a number is multiplied by the other, a result is obtained. We get a result. Then the number which is multiplied by another, that means this number is called multiplicand. The second number, this one with which the multiplicand is multiplied, is called multiplier. And the result of multiplication, the result which we obtain due to this multiplication is called product. So we came across three new terms: what is multiplicand, what is multiplier, and what is a product. The number with which the number which is multiplied is called multiplicand. The number with which the multiplicand is multiplied is called multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called product. Now, in case of division, what happens in case of division? In case of rule of division, here also suppose we take a number 3519 and we divide this number with 4. 3519 divided by 4. Now if we divide this number by 4, let's see what we are getting. 4 8s are 32. We are getting 3, 1. 4 7s are 28. Again we are getting 3, 9. 4 9s are 36. We are getting a remainder. 4 9s are 36, and then we are getting a remainder which is 3. We are getting a remainder which is 3. So as you can see, we are getting a result of division. This result of division is called quotient. The number which is divided, is called dividend. And this 4 by which it is divided is called divisor. So we are getting quotient, we are getting to know what is dividend and what is divisor. We are also getting 3. Now what is the 3? 3 is a remainder. This 3 will be called as a remainder. So here we come across 4 new terms in case of division. What are the 4 new terms? First of all, we have seen that 3519 we are dividing with 4. So the number which is divided is called dividend. The number with which this dividend is divided is called divisor. And the result we are getting out of the division is called quotient. Here we can see 879 is the quotient. 879 is the quotient. And after the division, we are getting 3 as a remainder. So, we are getting another new term that is called a remainder. This is the rule for division. These are the new terms of division that we are learning. Now, I am rubbing the board and telling you another thing, one new thing. Suppose if I multiply two numbers. Suppose if I multiply two numbers, 3 into 5, and we are getting result 15. We all know 3 into 5 gives you 15. Now what is 3? 3 will be called as a factor. 5 will again be called as a factor. And this 15 will be called a product or a multiple. So what we know from these, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Suppose 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Here 6 and 4 both are the factors. These with which each other is multiplied, these two numbers are called factors. Now what result we are getting is multiple. So 24 is a multiple of 4 and 24 may be again called as a multiple of 6. 4 is a factor of 24 and 6 is also a factor of 24. So we come across two new terms, what is multiple and what is factor, and also the new terms that what is division and what is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and in case of multiplication, what is multiplicand, what is multiplier and what is a product. So these are the new terms that we get to know about from this revision of new lesson. Also we must know in this context what is an integer and what is a whole number. Integer are those numbers which can be counted. We used to count anything with the help of the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. So the numbers which helps us in counting is called integer. But when we add 0 to the number, this becomes whole number. These are all natural numbers, but when we add 0, when we start the counting from 0, we call it as whole number. When 0 is coming, we call it a whole number, and when 0 is not coming, when 0 is not present, then we call all these 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and onwards up till infinity. So this will be called natural numbers. So these are the new terms that you are getting across. In my next class, I will provide you also some important terms and some new thing from this revision of lesson. So till then, goodbye.